Do you have asthma? When I was a kid, I was coughing all the time. It has been proven that asthma is caused by the narrowing of your breathing tubes in your lungs. What if there was a way to prevent the narrowing? I'm 64 now and have not had asthma for 55 years. By manipulating the blood towards the lungs and actively breathing, you can train your lungs and eventually get rid of it. Let's get rid of your asthma. Left palm onto your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right palm. 1, 2, 3. You will feel your breastbone if you are tapping strong enough. Tap it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right forefinger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left palm massage in the clockwise position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold your fist, breathe into your nose, and breathe out through your mouth. Ha! Ready? 1, ha! 2, ha! 3, ha! 4, ha! 5, ha! 1, ha! 2, ha! 3, ha! 4, ha! 5, ha! This time, push your palm together and breathe into your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in. Ha! 1, ha! 2, ha! 3. For the best results, shout the ha sound as loud as you can. Ha! 1, ha! 2, ha! 3, ha! 4, ha! 5, ha! With your palm in this position and vibrate in and out. Breathe into your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in. Ha! 1, ha! 2, ha! 3. Don't be shy. Shout ha to train your lungs. Ha! 1, ha! 2, ha! 3, ha! 4, ha! 5. 1, ha! 2, ha! 3, ha! 4, ha! 5, ha! 1, ha! 2, ha! 3, ha! 4, ha! 5, ha! Stop. Hold it for 5 seconds. Breathe into your nose and breathe out through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Massage your lungs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left palm onto your lungs and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. If you click on the notification bell, you will be the first to receive my new natural method videos.